Hello friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb and I am Barb. Today we are having a taco casserole. Okay, first we're going to start off, you're going to ground 1 pound of hamburger. And then we're going to put in 1 onion and also 1 tablespoon of garlic. Along with a packet of taco seasoning and throw in some water. This is a 1/2 cup of water. Okay, then we are going to fry this up. Okay. Okay, this is coming along really great. I just wanted to leave a side note. Use lean ground beef in this, okay? But it's okay if you don't have lean ground beef. Just drain it, and then you could add your taco seasoning to it, okay? Yes, this is coming together really good. Okay, now we have our meat done. Just put that in your crock pot. We're going to dump in a 2-pound bag of hash browns. All right, and then we're going in with another pack of taco seasoning. Okay, 1 cup of salsa. And then, okay, whatever cream of chicken, I'm using cream of chicken. I would prefer cream of mushroom, but use whatever cream of soup that you have. Okay, and 2 cups of cheese. What I'm using is cheddar jack cheese. And now we stir. Stir that all together. Okay, gonna get it all down in there. Alrighty, that is the best that I can do. I am short. And then I'm gonna throw in 2 more cups. Just dump it all in there. Perfect. Put the lid on it. And you could cook it low for 3 to 4 hours or high 2 to 4. Ooh, okay. And that's what she looks like when she's done. I'm going to dig right into the middle of things. Get a nice serving. Look at that cheese. Lots of cheese. And if you don't like a lot of cheese, just don't put a lot of cheese. Okay, that is good for me. Put the lid on that. Well, I better shut this pot off too. Oh, that does look really, really good. I'm going to try to get me a nice fork of hamburger and the cheese with the potato. And friends, you know, we could put some, if you want, you can put some onions on top. You can put some sour cream on top. That would be really delicious with the sour cream. I just didn't have the sour cream right now by my side when I pulled it out of the pot. So this is what I'm going to do, okay? All right, let's give this a try. Wow. Yeah, that turned out really good, friends. And it's not overwhelmingly the taco flavor. It's like just perfect. The potatoes just soaked up the flavor, and the potatoes taste delicious too. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep on cooking. I love you all.